Hi, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de. I'm at CES 2011 here at the Razer booth, and they're showing their new prototype of the Razer Switchblade, a gaming device powered by an Intel Atom processor. It will have a 7-inch multi-touch display, and as you may see, a dynamic keyboard. Just have a look, wait, it will change soon, yeah, here you see it. Now we have a normal keyboard, and for games we have a gaming keyboard. Let's wait. Okay. This is what it looks like if it's closed. And let's have a look at the ports. On the left side we have one USB port. And on the other side we have a DC in and a micro HDMI.